Alright guys, good morning everyone. So, today we have a special day. Actually, we have a very special day. Today I'm getting my brand new scooter. Yeah, I'm rocking my brand new shirt and my Gucci pants right from the designer store. Also, if you're wondering what's going on in the background, we have two beds. I have one to sleep on, and I have a second bed. I don't really know what it's for, but one on the left and one on the right. Yeah. Okay. My new scooter is not even there yet. I have to go get it first. So at the moment, I'm still sitting on my chair. I got a brand new yesterday. They shipped it. They had to like deliver it from like from another country. Yes. So the plan for today is we will get my brand new scooter. Then we go to a skate park, try out the new scooter and see how it is. Also guys, a lot of people ask me, where do I edit my videos? I edit my videos on this brand new desk. Here I got my computer, I got my mouse, I got my, I don't know what this is, water, okay, very important. I got iPhone, charging cables, and this is a travel adapter. This is really good because you can use this in America, Europe, UK, Australia, China, and you have USB cable, so this is very important. And you have obviously Subway napkins, charger cable and all that stuff. Window, you know, daylight savings. Also guys, before I show you my brand new scooter, can we please get this video to, let's say, 2K likes? Come on, 2K likes is easy, okay? 2K likes, smash the like button. That's easy guys. If this video gets 2,000 likes, which is like really easy for us, okay? I will do whatever the top comment tells me to do. But it has to be like realistic. Like, don't tell me like to fly to the moon and go and build a wall and stuff like that. This is like unrealistic, okay? It has to be like kind of realistic. Just kind of, okay? As you might know, I'm super lazy. I'm not lazy, I'm just complacent. Actually, I'm lazy. Nah, both, okay? I'm both. So, I don't want to walk and stand up with this comfortable chair. Actually, it's not comfortable, it's really uncomfortable. And I'm talking way too fast so no one can understand me. But, so I don't want to like walk to the car. I'd rather just teleport. It's just more convenient. So, let's just teleport, okay? 3, 2, 1. So before I get my brand new scooter, before we go to the skate park. Yeah, this way, okay. There's a bird there, okay. A funny one. Alright, so before we go to the skate park, we have... Sorry guys, it's distracting me. Before we go to the skate park, I have to get my brand new scooter, which is 1 hour car drive away from my current position. Yeah. Alright guys, so I finally got my brand new scooter right here. I'm really happy I finally got it. And we are here today at Redcliffe Skate Park, which is a concrete skate park in Brisbane, Australia. We will get some test clips right now for you. A quick edit. Thanks, man.
No worries.
Alright guys, so we finished our session at Radcliffe Skate Park in Brisbane, Australia. We had to cut the edit short because it was super hot. I think we had 35 degrees Celsius. The sun was freaking burning hot. We filmed the entire edit in like only 20 minutes, as I said, because it was so hot there. I'm sitting now in my even more hotter car. It's actually even hotter here in the car. Furthermore, I just wish you a wonderful day. Whatever you have going on in your life, go out there and smash it, you know. Go hard, do what you gotta do, and smile. Make sure you subscribe, share this with your friends, and have fun, be playful. Yeah, and subscribe. Subscribe is very important. Subscribe. Stay tuned and expect and get hyped for so many more videos in Australia. I've planned so many awesome videos. It's kind of embarrassing I haven't seen a single kangaroo yet, so I gotta do that, you know. It's my dream since I was a child, so. And I really want to say thank you for all the really awesome support lately. All the awesome comments I get like on YouTube and Instagram, all these messages, like insane. I try to reply to as many as possible. If you have any like places or ideas on what we should do in Australia, like what you want to see, because like I'm in Australia right now and obviously I want to show you like everything, okay? Not everything, but like as much as I can, you know, as much as I can, so you know what's going on here. So just comment places, comment stuff to do, bridge jumping, cliff jumping maybe, whatever like you want to see. Yeah, so comment down below. I read all comments, I reply to most comments, so make sure you go do that. Join my Snapchat squad. I post a lot of very interesting stuff there, so interesting stuff there, if you know what I mean. So alright guys, are you ready for the sickest outro? Watch this, watch this, watch this. The toilet fort was legit.
No, 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 don't funk with my heart.